Minasan,
Konnichiwa! Welcome to our channel, Bye Basha.
This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali.
Thank you so much for your great response to our last video, Introduction to Spices.
So if you haven't watched that already, please do click over here and watch it right now.
Please do watch it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And also,
The bell mark. So today we will be making traditional Indian dessert, Malai Kulfi.
so it is very easy, very tasty and needs minimal ingredients.
So let's get started.
For this recipe, you will need full cream milk 1.5 liters, sugar 5 tablespoons, cardamom powder half teaspoon, saffron optional a few strands, crushed nuts optional 2 tablespoons. We have used pistachios. Boil the milk till it reduces to 1/3 amount, that is 500 ml. You can adjust the amount of milk according to the number of servings you want. Keep stirring frequently. This takes some time, but trust me, the result is worth it. As I keep stirring, let me give you some quick info about kulfi. Kulfi is a popular dessert in the Indian subcontinent. In India, kulfi is normally sold by vendors who are called kulfi walas. If you visit any tourist destination in India, you are sure to spot these kulfi walas selling different flavors of kulfi. We will be adding cardamom powder and saffron in this recipe, but you can add any seasonal fruit or the essence of your choice and make your own version of this delicacy. So coming back to our recipe, the milk has reduced to about 500 ml. Turn off the heat and add the rest of the ingredients and stir well. We are adding pistachios, but you can add any nuts of your choice. Let the mixture cool down completely. Once cooled, pour it in any mold of your choice. Cover with a foil and poke an ice cream stick in it. Or you can even skip this step and just eat the kulfi with a spoon when it's done. Freeze overnight. We have used a traditional Indian clay cup called kulhad, which is used for serving tea and making kulfi in many parts of India. Now we've frozen the mixture overnight. This is how it looks. Dip the mold in room temperature water and let it stay for some time. Next, rub the mold with your hands. Now slowly and steadily take out the kulfi. And that's it, your creamy kulfi is ready.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please do like, share and comment if you like this video. And don't forget to try this recipe and share the photos with us. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Cheers.
Let's try.
Itadakimasu. This is super delicious.
This is so good.